Now let's talk about salmon. I grew up eating salmon from Lake Michigan. We would smoke it, grill it, and it was served at all of our family functions. It's one of the most popular fish in America. When you shop for salmon, where do you start? How do you choose fresh, sustainable fish in general? I'm going to guide you through your local store and offer suggestions for how to choose seafood for the meal we will cook together during this guide. So let's meet at your local grocery. Now it's time to go shopping. First, let's grab our cart or basket. We're going to pick up our non-refrigerated items first, such as the vegetables and the other accoutrements. Then we will select our seafood and perishable ingredients. So here we're going to go and pick out our fresh tomatoes. For this recipe, we're going to be using 2 medium-sized tomatoes. My favorites are heirloom tomatoes, picked ripe in the season. Certainly find fresh garlic that isn't sunken or swollen. Make sure the cloves are firm and plump. Right next to the garlic, you should find your shallots. What is a shallot? The shallot is basically a very sweet onion. Let's go over to the jar section of our supermarket to look for our capers. The capers I tend to use are brined, nonpareil capers. You can also find salted capers, and if you do find these, make sure you rinse them ahead of time. Let's talk about fresh herbs. What do you like to use? Is it dill, thyme, oregano? Really, this is a chance for you to use your own creativity and use the herbs that you like best. Here you have your recipe, so grab the rest of your ingredients and let's meet over in the fish market. Let's take a look at the fish selection in the seafood department. For whole fish, look at the eyes and the gills. Make sure the eyes are bright, not sunken, and the gills are red or pink. The skin should look tight and plump. In cut portions, look at the color. Is the salmon bright orange? Avoid pasty looking or brownish cuts. Salmon may have a slight fishy smell due to the high oil content. In contrast, whitefish will be more neutral in smell. Most important, don't forget to ask your seafood monger about the source of the salmon. What advice did the fish seller give you? Hopefully fresh salmon is a good choice where you are. Remember, when you are researching sustainable seafood, go to the James Beard Foundation website and look at the Smart Catch program. There's tons of information on the website that will give you ideas and sources about where to find your sustainable seafood. Okay, let's head to the checkout, and I'll join you in your kitchen with all the ingredients when you're ready.